How to get your data intake for your bUstier. How to get the data intake for your bUstier. Many people have asked, what value should I use to contour my underbust? Should I use 3 inches, 2 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches? No matter your size, whether plus size or not, this is the method or the formula you use to determine the data intake. Your bust circumference minus your underbust circumference. Your bust circumference minus your underbust circumference. Whatever value you have, that is the value for your data intake for both the front and the back pattern. So my bust circumference is 35 minus my underbust, which is 28, is going to give me 7 inches. So this 7 inches is the data intake I need to take for both the front and the back. So I divide the 7 inches for the front and the back. For the back, I use 2 inches, which is the normal and the basic one we normally use. For the front, I use 5 inches. So I'm going to explain it using the pattern so you understand it. So this pattern is on fold. So I'm going to be using 1 inch. You can see that by the time you open this pattern up, you have taken 2 inches for the back dart. So that is how it works. So let me just go ahead and I'm going to divide the dart. So you're going to divide the front dart into 2 and the back dart into 2 because you are drafting half of the front and half of the back. So 2 divided by 2 will give me 1. 5 divided by 2 will give me 2.5. So for the front now, I am going to be using 2.5 inches for my dart. So here, this pattern is not my own, so that is why it's 2 inches there. So what I will do is that towards here, which is the center front, I will use 1 inch. Towards the side front, I will use 1.5, making it 2.5 inches for my dart. If you want to have multiple darts, like you are doing a Victorian corset, you are doing corset, you want to have multiple darts, you can divide this dart into 2. You can use one line as 1.5 inches, and you can draw another line here and take 1.1 inch, making the dart 2.5. Instead of taking the 2.5 ones, you can decide to share your pattern into 2 or 3, divide the dart and take it. So that is how it works. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.